Hello everyone, this week and today I'm going to show you how to use this image to make the textures look like tattoo. So I'm going to show you every process and how to do it. So check it before and after. So simple. So I'm going to show you everything you need to know about this. So get on my page, subscribe to it, like and comment. So let's get to it. Okay, so this is the image, and this is the one I'm going to use for my skin tattoo. So let's drag it to here. Okay, so I think I need to just put it over here. So all the thing we're going to do is that just mark this, okay, and try to when it's just not converted, just use this eraser to just convert it, but I'm just done with it already. So let's just take all this things out. So I'm going to use the eraser magic tool to just take this white off, and here too, and also here too. So the next step is that we're going to click Control plus T. So when you get to it, just move to warp, and the warp, try to just control it like this. Okay, so make sure you do it proper and don't mess up. Okay, so this is how it's going to do it, and let's here to be like this. Okay, so when that's this process, okay, just click here and move to blending option. So when I get to the blending option, that's all the thing you're going to do. Okay, so here you're going to click Alt and drag this one. Okay, so it's going to merge the skin, and so when you're done with it, just click OK, and let's just try the normal and see which one is going to fit. So try to just control this. Okay, so I think we need to use the multiple, and I think this one's cool, and the eraser tool. Drag it and make it, clean it like this. That's it. So let's see before and after. That's it. So guys, subscribe to my page and I'm awake, and I'm going to see you for the next video. Bye.